Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of elegant living room decorating. Ever wondered how a well decorated living space can transform your entire home experience? Well, get ready to find out. Your living room is not just a space, it is a canvas where comfort meets style. A thoughtfully adorned living area can uplift your mood, make gathering more enjoyable, and turn your house into a true home. Whether you are a seasoned decor or a newbie, we have got some simple and stylish ideas that anyone can embrace. So let's embark on this journey together and discover the magic of creating an elegant living room that reflect your unique taste and make every moment at home special. Choosing the right color sets the stage for an elegant living room. Natural colors like white, grey, and soft pastels play a crucial role. They create a timeless and sophisticated atmosphere, acting as a canvas for your style. Imagine a screen backdrop that stands the time test of time. To keep things interesting, adds pops of color through accessories. These can be vibrant through pillows, artworks, or decorative items. It is like adding a personal touch to your elegant canvas, bringing warmth and characters. So embrace natural as your foundations, then let your personality shine through with carefully chosen pops of colors in the details. This balance ensures a classy and welcoming living space that remains stylish for years to come. Creating an elegant living room is all about finding the sweet spot between style and comfort. Imagine sinking into a polished sofa after a long day. That is the kind of comfort we are talking about. In our video, we will highlight the significance of comfort and introduce viewers to luxurious yet cozy furniture option like inviting polished sofa, oversized chair that you can rise longing in, and soft areas rugs underfoot. It is not just about looks. We will delve into the art of striking balance between aesthetic and functionality when choosing furniture. After all, an elegant living room should be a heaven where style meets a warm embrace. Get ready to transform your space into a comfort-filled, sophisticated retreat. Transform your living room into a chic heaven is easy. First, arrange your decor thoughtfully for a polished finish. Follow the rule of threes. Group items in set of three for balance and visual appeal. Next, infuse your personality into the space by adding personal touches, display family photos, or showcase meaningful artworks to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. It is all about striking a balance. Keep it simple, not cluttered, and let each piece tell a story. This way, your living room become a stylish reflection of you, making it a cozy and aesthetically pleasing retreat for you and your guests. Try these tips and watch your living space transform with elegance and personality. Lighting is like the magic wand of your living room. It transforms the whole vibe. Imagine elegant chandeliers, pendant lights, or chic floor lamps, turning a plain room into a cozy heaven. In this video, we will unravel the secrets of lighting, learn how to play with different fixtures to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. We will share practical tips on layering light for various moods, from movies night to laying gatherings. So, whether it is a quiet evening or a party, you will have the perfect ambience. Let's dive into the world of lighting and make your living room shine. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more home magic tips. Discover your unique style by trying out the elegant living room decorating ideas mentioned. Experiment with natural colors, patterns, selecting polished furniture, and arranging decor thoughtfully to create a personalized space. Your living room is a canvas. Express yourself through the choice you make. Don't forget the magic of lighting. It is can transform the ambience. Enjoy the process and let your personality shine in every detail. If you found these tips helpful or have question, let's start a conversation. Like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more inspiration home decor contents. Join us our community of home enthusiasts and stay updated on the latest trend and ideas.